What is body perfume? Body perfumes are formulated blends of various aromatic compounds designed to deliver pleasant aromas when worn on your body or apparel. The range of fragrances that body perfumes offer is vast and varied to satisfy all kinds of individual likes and preferences. The scents and fragrances of body perfumes are designed to make you smell good and uplift your mood. Body perfumes also spread pleasant fragrances around you, which others could find pleasant and attractive. Perfumes are broadly categorized as body mist, eau de cologne, eau de toilette, eau de parfum, and attars. The main difference is in the percentage of perfume oils incorporated and the proportion of other ingredients in the final product. Body mist sprays are light formulations containing very low concentrations of perfume oils. They deliver light fragrances which are generally in the fresh, floral, fruity direction. They cost lesser, but the fragrance, too, lasts for lesser time. Eau de cologne contain little more perfume oils than body mist sprays, but lesser than in eau de toilette. They are presented in glass bottles with or without spray pumps. The fragrance lasts for a little more time than of body mists. Eau de toilettes contain more perfume oils than eau de cologne. The fragrances also last longer than from cologne. They are usually presented in glass bottles with spray pumps. Eau de parfums have a much higher concentration of perfume oils when compared to the other three. They are always presented in glass bottles with spray pump. The residual fragrance of the eau de parfum lasts for a much longer time. Attars are concentrated perfume oils derived from natural botanical sources without addition of synthetic ingredients. These are alcohol-free products, being highly concentrated products. Attars are applied only in small quantities directly on skin or apparel. Attars are more expensive and are sold in small size bottles with or without roll-on applicators. The residual fragrance of attars lasts for a long time. However, being derived from natural ingredients, the range and variety of aromas offered is relatively lesser when compared to body perfume sprays.